What's going on, y'all? It's your man, Matt DV. Yes. We are in, guess where we're at? We're in Newark. Come on. We're in Newark, New Jersey, and I'm out here getting my walk on. Guess what food truck I just walked upon? Look. Y'all gonna bug out, watch. Straight from Jersey City, here in Newark, New Jersey. Look what food truck I just came up on. Yeah. Okay, y'all, it's been confirmed. I am going to do the Oxtail Empanada with collard greens and rice right there. $17. Hold up. Wait a minute. Did you say Oxtail? I don't get no bag.
I got you. I got you.
Who this young lady? She wasn't on the truck last time.
That's my cousin.
Cousin Shy?
Cousin
Sheeta.
So close, right?
Close.
All right. Look, y'all, we got it. We got our bags. See you, sis. We got our bag, y'all. We got our empanadas. Man, I am so happy that I ran into them again. You guys have to check them out. Look at this episode right there. And we did Lady G's empanadas. This is the second time I'm trying it, but I got something different. Check it out. This time, I got the oxtail. I think last time I definitely got the shrimp and something else. But we'll put all that up there right there. No, check the video out, man. But right now, this is the oxtail, y'all. Look at it. It's in the bag. You see, look, got the Lady G's Empanadas logo. It's got the oxtail dinner. This is called the oxtail dinner empanada, man. Look at that, golden brown. If I drop this, man, it's a done deal, because actually this is dirt underneath me, and there will be no 2-second rule picking it up. Look at that, man. I'm about to bite into this joker. Which way should I get it? Which way should I go with it? Which way should I go? Check it out. Yo, she better shut up. Lady G better shut up. Oh my goodness, man. Look at this, yo. There's like collard greens in there. Can you see that? There's oxtails, collard greens, rice inside that empanada. That is really good, y'all. Look at that. It's loaded, yo. Is it not loaded? Can you see it? Do I have to tap the screen so you can see it? Yeah, look at that. Look at that right there. It's loaded. See that oxtail meat? See the collard greens? Here's the taste that I'm getting. The flavors. Here's the flavors that I'm getting from this. I'm getting spiciness. I can taste some peppers. I can taste just a little small baby hint of vinegar. I taste these collard greens. The oxtails are absolutely delicious. And I don't know where it's coming from, but it's another real small hint of sweetness. That's delicious, man. If you haven't tried Lady G's Empanadas, you definitely want to give them a try. I know that oil, see that oil dripping off right there? My pinky is going to be the drip pan for the oil. Wow. I'm glad I didn't get two, because this is I'm feeling more of them spices now, man. That peppery spice. Don't need no hot sauce, because it's not real spicy. I like spicy, but it definitely has a little spiciness to it. Did you just see that oil squirt out? Yo, and there's more of that oxtail meat. Wow. I ain't messing with y'all, man. There's too much going on. I'm outside. It's windy. I just wanted the Newark skyline behind me. It looks fake back there, right? This is definitely a meal. I met a young lady out there. She was saying that she used to work with Lady G, and that they encourage her. She used to bring these into work, and they encourage her to start her own business. How about, let's give a shout out to people who encourage you. Because you always got people, hold up, I'm on my high horse. You always have people that's gonna say negative stuff, right? But let's give a shout out to people who encourage you, tell you to go for it. They give you a little suggestions, they don't have to take the suggestions, but it's always better to hear something positive from somebody instead of somebody somebody would have tried to knock her business down, maybe discourage her. She might not be in existence, but she had some people who encouraged her instead of discouraging her. Stuff is flying around, man. That's why I'm laughing. I got bags in my hand. Lady G's Empanadas. Wow. That last bite was really beefy too. Wow. That's that oxtail. I can taste just a little bit. It's really lean meat, but I taste a little bit of that fat, man. This is your man, Matt DV, signing off, downtown Newark, New Jersey. Just came from Lady G's Empanadas, which is really a Jersey City-based company. But that truck goes all around, man. They go to a lot of different events. She's a vendor at a lot of different functions that they have. She's in Bayonne, she's in Jersey. And I just heard that she has a restaurant. But I don't know how true that is, but if she's got a restaurant, we're gonna go check her out. This is your man, Matt DV, signing off. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks always for supporting me. I love you, cats. Thanks always for support. Let's do that again, one more take. I love you, cats. Thank you for always supporting me and tuning in when I go live. Big up to our patrons. Thanks for giving. Big up to all of our subscribers. I can't talk today. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Bing, 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 bing. Hit that little subscribe button right there. Ring the bell to be notified. I'm signing off. Peace.